In other news, the World Bank and the World Trade Organization have released a joint policy note titled "The Role of Trade in Developing Countries: Road to Recovery." The policy note cites that the deployment of digital technologies and the transition to a low-carbon future as low-hanging fruits owing to the effects of the pandemic, which countries should take advantage of. Kenya's Cabinet Secretary for Industrialization, Trade and Enterprise Development, Betty Maina, was one of the panelists during the virtual launch of the policy note.
Now, this joint policy note that has been that we are discussing today confirms that we really need to build resilience in our trade ecosystem so that it can become a driver for the recovery from COVID. We expect that the expansion of international trade rather than the contraction and streamlining global value chains will be essential to development and poverty reduction.
The pandemic has put years of hard-won progress in reducing poverty and improving gender equality at risk. The pandemic is pushing over 500 million people into extreme poverty, further marginalizing vulnerable groups. The number of poor people in low-income economies is projected to have increased in 2021 by 2.7%, a rate so many more times higher than before the pandemic.
We are not just talking about recovery, we're talking about building back better, or how to reshape the global economy, which is more greener, more resilient, and inclusive. And trade can be a powerful tool for achieving this goal with the right policies. First, trade can support a green economy and facilitate low carbon transition. Trade can actually be part of the solution. Moreover, the transition to low carbon also offers great opportunities for developing countries.